Innovative door. Got a hit door here. I'll take you around to the inside. Oh, it's pretty concaved in there. There it is. We got the lights in here. Nope. I'm gonna hit garage door, that's for sure. This is going right in the scrap pile. But we'll fix this. We're gonna do sections only and hardware. Nothing wrong with the track. Nothing wrong with the springs. Nothing wrong with the opener. So, panels only. Save some money over here. For all your hit garage doors needs, call Innovative 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativedoor.com, innovativegaragedoor.com. Thanks for watching our video. Praise the Lord.